You're watching How Leap. Let's stop your Mac screen from sleeping. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the System Settings window, click Lock Screen in the sidebar. Here you will see an option for Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive and Turn Display Off on Power Adapter. When inactive, to prevent sleep completely, drag the slider for each setting to Never. You can also set a custom time if you prefer. For more immediate control, you can use the Hot Corners feature. Go back to System Settings and search for Active Screen Corners or navigate to Desktop and Dock and then Hot Corners. Assign a corner, like the bottom left, to prevent screensaver or disable screensaver. Now, moving your cursor to that corner will stop the screen from sleeping. Additionally, you can use the terminal for a temporary override. Open Terminal from the Utilities folder and type the command Caffeinate and press Enter to keep your Mac awake until you close the terminal window. To revert, simply change the settings back to your preferred sleep times. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.